Yeah, yeah, I'm about to, oh shit.
Double.
We're about to have a double.
Uncle's hooked onto a slunch right now.
Is, dude.
Yeah, I don't know. Let him run a little bit.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Yeah,
He's
keep your
rock,
pull
yeah.
up.
I think that's a sucker.
Let him run if he wants
maybe
to.
It's a carp,
just
dude.
can't. As soon as he stops, reel a little bit. Hey, Brody, take it back.
Yeah, I'll take it back because I'm not getting hits anymore.
Yeah, I think that is a carp the way it's running.
Keep it up. Keep it up. It's trying to go into the rock.
It's a nice carp.
Nice. Bring it towards the net. Keep your rod tip up. Not too high.
Oh, I missed him. Hold on. Oh, shit. We're caught.
Wrap them then.
I got him. Yeah, bro.
Let's go.
That's our first carp back here, too.
Let's go, Dunkel.
Hell yeah.
That's a nice carp, dude. That's a beefy carp.
Yeah, it's pretty beefy. Hell yeah.
Not bad at all. Got your worm. Ron Hogue would be proud. Perfect hook set, actually.
Right on the bottom lip.
So the circle hook, Uncle, it just wraps.
Yeah.
You just pop it right out.
Dunkel, you gotta hold it now for the...
Carp don't have anything pointy on you.
Okay.
Hello.
Nice.
It's gonna be real slimy.
Hold it up for the camera and smile, dude.
Hell yeah.
Let's go. All right, now you want to put her back in, Hogue? Get a nice little release of this bad boy. I might just toss the camera in the water.
You need to try it out.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Oh,
All right, yeah.
nice.
He didn't give me a second to let him breathe him, but we'll take it. We've been here for like, what, 5 minutes?
Yeah. Let's go, Dunkel. First fish.
First fish.
First fish in like the last, what, 12 years?
Yeah.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
Whatever he, bro, he's pulling drag.
Is he going?
Bro.
Yep.
Yeah, you're going.
Bro.
Brody was over there throwing a square bill around trying to catch some bass, and his pole went nuts. So I went and set the hook for him and pass it off, and here we are. You get the net
Pulling
ready.
drag, man. It seems like it's nice.
Try and keep it over this way out of all that fall down. Oh, this, you go right for the sticks, man.
Dude. Damn. He's had shit stuff. I don't know what that is. It's weird.
I'm not sure yet.
I think it's a channel. No, it's a carp, dude. What?
Is it a carp?
Nice one. Holy. Dude. This thing's really fighting right
Some
now.
of those carp we ever caught down here. It's a lot better than suckers. A lot better than suckers.
This is a nice carp. I think it's a carp.
What should be a muskie? I haven't seen it good enough yet.
Whatever it is, dude, it's just like...
I will say, that's a carp. That's a decent sized
Big
carp.
carp, bro. It's a big carp.
Let's go.
I mean, it's not big,
He's big enough.
for in here. Dude, he won't let me pull him in. Nice carp. Holy. I haven't had a fish fight like this in a while, dude. And this is a carp. Nice color.
I don't know what just happened here.
This just went black. You're good.
Yeah.
You're good.
Nice.
That's a nice carp.
Yeah,
dude.
it's a nice carp.
That's
Let's
a
go.
That's a really nice carp, actually. We're in here.
Look out while he's still in there. Yeah, he's got really cool color actually, and the sunlight's
really
hitting it
nice
perfect.
color, yeah.
Get her on the other side, don't get his belly. Oh yeah, bro.
Flip it around.
You got them pliers? Do you think you?
There we go.
Nice, right on. Well, I probably should have held it, but it's too late.
Just wanted to make sure you got the angle good.
Yeah, it looks really good in the sun. Yeah, he's got a lot of nice color to him, man. Nice carp.
Good
Cool.
release on this guy real quick.
Yeah, put him back in. Oh, he's ready.
It's like they see the water and they're just like,
They're ready to go.
You know what I mean? And it's like the second time too.
Hell yeah.
Here, hold it for a second. Good.
All right, get that rod tip up. Little sucker.
Yeah.
Let's see him. Nice little sucker dunkel. He actually committed on that one compared to the other ones. The other ones will just sit there and play with it. He took it. Little stinky fish. Nice.
Not a bad first fish. I think it's peeing on me. I'm gonna go ahead and get it.
Good job, Knuckle.
Get it back in the water. We don't like suckers.
As I say, hell yeah. Oh, I think I had it. Keep your rod tip up.
Yeah, just keep tension on it.
Oh shit!
Ready,
Hold on, you're
go,
crossing me. Yeah, you're crossed over me. That's recording.
We almost just lost the pole. It was real close. It's probably a carp the way it's running.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
a
it's-
nice carp.
We're about to have sight on the fish here in a second.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one, dude. Oh yeah. Okay, let's get that annoying bell off.
Oh yeah, just gotta look at him. See it right there, right off the end of the net, real good. The uncle's just out here slaying them.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. I'll try and get it to you as much as possible. Oh yeah, he didn't like me.
Oh yeah, dude. It's a nice
Oh. Yeah, keep coming. We got him. Oh man, is he happy?
Try to do the pole.
Oh, you can
Just set it down.
for a second.
Dude, he destroyed that. Nice fish.
Thanks. I thought we were losing the pole, dude.
Dude, I thought that pole was going in the water too, honestly, the way. I wish we had the camera like recording when it hit, but
You can set each.
can't really waste all the battery that way. Fishing on the bottom like this. Right on, dude.
It's got ice. That is like honestly probably 15 pounds. We gotta start bringing a scale.
It's heavy. Yeah, he's probably like 12, 15, somewhere around there.
I'll get my foot in there for inside a little bit. I know it's weird to get her in there just a little bit.
Okay.
All right, there you go.
Right on, Dunkel.
Hell yeah.
Very good face, man.
It's like his saying every time he catches a fish. Hell yeah, dude.
All right, good. I'd go down right there and get. Oh,
I didn't mean to drop
that's
him.
all right.
It's all good. He's ready. Nice. Nice, Hug.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, there goes the bell.
Probably should have taken it off. Oh well. Sucker?
I think it's
Yeah, the way it's coming in.
it's doing the sideways, just like
Probably don't need the net for this one.
chill. All right.
Real calm and collected till they get on the shore. Then they just get so mad. Perfect hook. Right on the bottom lip.
Must like to taste a hook or something. There we go. Yeah. Well, it was a long 2 days, but I finally caught one. I'm not gonna kiss it. That's nasty. Can you give a kiss? Yeah. Dude.
He stinks, man. I hate the smell of them.
Yeah, they do smell nasty.
Go.
Swim down the mud.
Oh man.
Oh, he's on there.
Oh, no. Let him take it again.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm thinking sucker.
Oh wait, you're on my pole too.
Yeah, I'm bringing your line in.
Another sucker, yeah. Okay, you're off of it. Cool. Damn suckers. Nice. A little bit bigger than your last one.
Yeah. Sit. Stop. It's a strong fish. I wish it would fight like out in the water.
Yeah. Yeah, these suckers, man, as soon as they get on, they just don't fight. They'll let you pull them right in. It's weird. Feels like you have a snag.
All right.
Nice. Oh. Something nice. Is it? Yeah. Get away from that rock. There you go. Nice fish. Another carp, I bet. Yep. Pull it away from your line. Oh God, dude. He took me far. You want to get down there by him while he's netting it? Record him netting it. Damn, bro. These carp are fighting. They got some energy, dude.
It's a little skating rink down here for sure.
I'll just bring it this way.
There you go.
Reminds me of like fishing pontoon on the other side of the Linesville Reservoir or whatever. Got it? Nope.
Yep. Keep tension on it. Come on.
Dude. I think he's bigger. I think he might be bigger than that last one.
Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Hell yeah.
Chill, B. Nice.
Nice carp, man.
Hell yeah. Turn this way too.
Hey, lay him.
He's on it.
Actually, you have to lay it down.
It's about as long as the handle.
Honestly, yeah, it probably goes all the way to the black. What did he say? He stretched him out like the way it's supposed to be. His tail would touch over that. That's what I'm gonna measure right there.